Tonight, more than 50 local Kansas City leaders are working to find life-saving solutions to this fentanyl epidemic.
This afternoon, the mayor hosted a summit to talk about it at the Kansas City Health Department. That's where we find Fox 4's Reagan Porter live tonight. She talked with a mother impacted by that epidemic. And Reagan, what was talked about today?
The mayor tells me they heard from families who've lost loved ones to fentanyl overdoses. Now here is where they held the summit inside the Kansas City Health Department. It was an effort to prevent those deaths in our community.
Everything's a reminder, and I thought my Christmas tree would be for him and for other people that's lost their lives.
A Christmas tree covered in purple stands in place of her son who won't be here for the holidays. 35-year-old Robert Swain died from ingesting fentanyl in May.
He's very well missed. He's the first child that made me a mommy.
Melissa Deal said Swain went into the Army when he was 19, got hurt, and was medically discharged. Since then, Deal said her son struggled with a drug addiction. She said family tried to help. However, they found him dead from fentanyl poisoning. Now she's an anti-drug advocate with a warning.
This needs to be brought to all these people's attention. Do not do drugs. Do not try them. One time could be your last.
Kansas City is working to bring more attention to the issue. Friday, Mayor Lucas hosted a fentanyl summit. Local health officials and law enforcement were at the table, as well as families affected by deadly overdoses. The goal was to learn about current efforts to tackle the epidemic and work on crafting life-saving solutions to prevent overdose deaths.
We will continue to reach out to high schoolers, to other young people. We will continue to reach out to those who are unhoused in our community. And we'll reach out to everyone to share the message not only that one pill can kill, but that your life is valuable.
Lucas says there was a 938% increase in opioid-related deaths from 2017 to 2021. That's hundreds of Kansas Cityans. Last month, City Council passed an ordinance requiring all non-fatal overdoses to be reported to the Kansas City Health Department within 24 hours. That's to assist with prevention and intervention services. Now, Deal was pleased to hear about today's summit and education happening in our city today. She does still think that more needs to be done. And Christelle, she said her son leaves behind 2 children.
All right, Reagan Porter live at the Kansas City Health Department this evening.